Wow. Thank you. Oh yeah, that's nice.
Remember the keys right here.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Yep.
Inside of this box, you will find the curtains control, your own pen that we suggest to bring with you the whole time, so you don't have to share, and well, another sanitizing kit.
Okay.
Right in this bottom below, you choose first light is for the fresh curtain, double click is for the blackout, up to open, down to close, and middle button to stop.
Awesome.
Inside of the mini bar, you don't have any product. Of course, if you have your own, you can use it.
Okay.
This is for new protocols. But of course, if you scan the QR code, you will see the menu with prices, and the same for England dining, which is 24 hours.
Oh, okay, cool.
And complimentary per day, water, coffee pots, and tea.
Wow, that's so nice.
Yes, you have well, natural amenities from Barcelona, Spain, and wooden bathtub.
Yeah,
Wow,
that's
I
nice.
love that. I've never seen a wooden bathtub.
Oh, really? Oh, you're going to love it.
I've
This
like
wood-
been in a lot of places and I've
Never seen
really?
a wooden bathtub.
This is so nice.
This is like a mini spa. This is
Yeah,
Yeah.
a spa.
And just to finish, inside of your closet, you have a steamer, safe, bathrobe, slippers on the sides, and yoga mat.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Right?